Did you know that there were a lot of romantic scenes that were cut in the drama Amidst a Snowstorm of Love? Many netizens even found that many kiss scenes were also cut. This is a behind-the-scenes video clip of a scene that is not shown in the drama. This cut scene is a very romantic scene. Many netizens say that the novel of this drama has much more sweet and kiss scenes. A rumor said that the reason this scene was cut was because Wu Lei and Mai Mai's acting was too natural and immersive, like they really were lovers. Maybe they also wanted to avoid dating rumors, so scenes that were too romantic were cut. Whatever it is, the roles of Wu Lei and Zhao Jinmai still make it difficult to move on.